Hello, this is Steve with treebirdfeeders.com. And this is Jacinta. Jacinta, we're going to show them the Treebird Archilochus pod, which is the smallest hummingbird feeder that we have. I'll take it down here. And this is the Archilochus pod. It's encased in cedar with insulation, so your nectar inside the PVC tube stays insulated and doesn't cook in the hot summer sun. It's one of the greatest benefits of the Archilochus pods and trunks. The pod holds 8 ounces of nectar, has 2 feeding ports. The feeding cover comes right off, easy to clean, straight shot down in there, and then it snaps right back in. It's got the red petal flowers on the background that bring the hummingbirds in. 2 perches. Each perch is a galvanized wire covered in plastic coating that's UV protected. This feeder is made to hang. To fill the feeder and to clean it, you turn it upside down, pull the bottom cap off. The plug unscrews, comes out, very easy to clean in there, straight shot on the tubes. Once you get it clean and filled back with fresh nectar, you put the plug back in, cinch it down, place the bottom cap on, twist it a little bit, flip it over, and you're full of nectar. And this is our Treebird Archilochus pod. We have these in cedar like this one, and then also in oak as well. And on the oak ones you can order a custom stain of your choice for the oak ones. The cedar ones that come in natural. And that is our Archilochus pod. Jacinta, what's your favorite thing about the Archilochus pod? The birds. Everybody loves the hummingbirds, huh? Well, this is Steve and Jacinta with treebirdfeeders.com, and thanks for watching.